gabutan. Ginamit ang laki. Wala. Mr. Gabutan once again. Whistles blow. Nagkatabak ng puting linya. Live. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Inbound Mignano to Mr. Pedrosa. Mr. Tuazon Busano. Busano ngayon setting the game. Busano ngayon jump, wala, giyapon, agawan ng ball, whistles blow, nakakuha ng ating mga gamit pang kusina, pwede lang pumasok, 5 nanay, free throw, 10 na nanay, 10 nanays,
Yes!
10 nanay ang preset, 10 nanay,
Yes!
isang free throw na pasok, isang gamit pang kusina, sponsored by Mrs. Jella Bandilan Zoo. 5 nanay, meron pa. Wala 10 nanay. Walang bitaw.
Ayan, pang-premyo natin yan. Huwag niya eh. Huwag niya eh. Ito nga bleng, talaga blangan.
Pangatlong Papapil. Nayon si Julidero ni Sri.
Pili ka, pili. Pili ka. Palde, tabo. Oh, pwede. Ha? Oh, kuha. Isa. Yeah!
Let's go! Papapdol. Ayan, pumasok again. We would like to acknowledge yung presensya ng ating mga municipal. Mr. Kuta, Mr. Mignano, the big man ang bumangga, giba, block by Mr. Sangkay. Copy. Mr. Malali, ice rating, Mr. Gabutan sa ilalim, Mr. Gabutan once again. Mr. Malali, jump below 2. Wala, giyabon si Celestial. Celestial ngayon, the offensive rebound. Pumasok, ako na bitaw. Pangalawang free throw. Yes! Ayun! Konti na lang. Tato! Ayun! Gamit pambahay, sponsored by Mrs. Jella Bandilan Zoo. 100 pesos, sponsored by Miss Rizal Gawan. Ayun, di pumasok. Apat. Ayun, di ba yan? Eres. Mr. Braza, Mr. Carrion, side stepping, Mr. Carrion, Mr. Eres,
Ada filter na rin sa paper maganda. Ang nararamdaman.
Graduate from Metro Business Manila College in 2023. Married a Chinese man in year 2020. They were blessed with a charming and stunning baby girl Yu, named by her mother and father. Kitty Jella is a successful entrepreneur. She started her business in Manila this year. She is also a YouTuber and can recommend several of the goods. Dresses are one such example. Gold and many more. Lola Valdez.
Ikalimot.
Our Miss Versa goes to nominate number 3. The SAS Philippine once again. Barangay Kagawad Honorable Jonathan.
One by one, looking back at everything we've done, every setback that we've overcome. I won't stop if you don't stop. Two by two, thinking about the world we won't come to, but together we can make it through. I won't stop if you don't stop.
Malaki, Adel, Jane, Alatin. And also, I would like to invite everyone. Candidate number 3.
Ayaw palagpak kay Basingo Pabor.
Siya number 3. And of course,
Lagi.
bigyan ng matigabong palakpakan our candidate, Kuwin number 8. Kuwin number 8. Kuwin number 8 is a decent choice. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up goes to Kuwin.
The SAS with the SAS will be by Chairman of the Board, Nam Alex, and the bouquet will be awarded by head organizer, Jel Darilo.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up goes to candidate number. Correct, candidate number 7. Miss Debbie Soriano Ateva.
Second runner-up will receive a cash prize worth receive a cash prize from our principal sponsor, Mom Alex.
Our first runner-up, the stars align in your journey, candidate number 8. Ayan! Congratulations our first ever Queen Universe of Video Blaan
Queen Universe.
2024. No other than candidate number 3.
The first 2024 will receive a 5,000 in cash to be given to her by our principal sponsor,